Hi everybody, this is Mike here from the Trailer Depot. Today we're doing a video on a heavy duty all aluminum trailer. This is a Deckover model. This is an Aluma. It's a 14,000 GVW, 22 feet long. So very heavy duty. You see the thickness of the frame here. We've got some really heavy duty through bolted D-rings on it. You've got 6 of those, 22 foot deck. So you've got 17 on the flat and then a 5-foot beaver tail with 5-foot ramps. 16-inch tires. Also, aluminum wheels are standard on Alumas. And you see the tongue, how the tongue ties in here. You've got big gussets up in the front, as well as big gussets here in the back where it ties into the body of the trailer. Plus the frame underneath. The aluminum ramps are almost adjusted all the way. You could bring them basically right in close to each other on the side here. They'll go slide in all the way. So you got plenty of flexibility there on your ramps on your side to side. All LED lights. So with a 5-foot beaver tail and a 5-foot ramp, you've got a nice gradual incline going up on the trailer. Rub rail and stake pockets. So you've got your stake pockets are 2 feet on center with a rub rail all the way down. As I mentioned, 16-inch tires and the rubber torsion suspension and aluminum wheels are standard. This is your aluminum mainframe underneath also for the Deckover to get it up above the wheels. So we've got a deck height of about 32, 33 inches, something like that. So it's a nice low profile design. This is Mike from the Trailer Depot doing a video on an Aluma heavy 14,000 GVW Deckover aluminum trailer. This is a 22 footer, 14,000 GVW, 22 feet long. You can find us on the web at thetrailerdepot.com, like us on Facebook, and check out our YouTube channel. Thanks, we'll see you next time.